All right, welcome to video 2. So again, we're reviewing inscribed angles. Inscribed angles are equal to half the arc they intercept. So for our first example here, the arc is 90, so the angle should be half of that, or angle x equals 1/2 of 90. When I do the math, we get angle x equals 45 degrees. For our second example, we're given the reverse. You're given the angle, but you need to find the intercepted arc. So what you would do is multiply 37 times 2. That gives us 74 degrees, or x degrees equals 74 degrees. This is the same property because 1/2 of 74 is 37. Our third example involves the properties of a circle. I'm going to highlight this in yellow. That's our diameter. Our diameter cuts a circle in half, and another way to think about this is a full circle is 360, so half the circle would be 180. It's not a great way to write 180. Actually, don't like that. Let's use this. That's 180 degrees. So if we know the total is 180, we could use that. Here we have an inscribed angle, so we would multiply 50 times 2 to get 100, or again, I'm going to highlight that piece. Let's do it in pink. That piece is 100. So if we want to know what x is, we would just do 180 minus 100 and get 80 degrees. So x equals 80 degrees, and that represents the measure of the arc that is x degrees. Okay, moving on to the example below. We'll call this example 4. We've done 3 so far. Angle C is going to equal half the arc it intercepts, or angle C is going to equal 1/2 of 82 degrees, or 41 degrees. For our fifth question, we're going to have to use the properties of a circle, or that the distance around the circle is 360. So we want to add 125 plus 75, and we're going to get 200. And if a full circle equals 360, that'll tell us what's left, or 160. Now we know what the missing arc is. We could take half of 160 and figure out what angle A is, which would just be 80. Okay, in our last question, again, we're being asked to use the properties of a circle, or that a diameter cuts a circle in half. Again, that means half the circle is 180 degrees. If you know a piece is 140, you could do 180 minus 140. That'll give you what's left over. If you're asked for angle C, that's half of 40, or just 20.